Hi, this is Susan, and in this video I'm going to go over the last personality type within the artisans. And again, the artisans are the free spirits that thrive on adventure and prefer a flexible lifestyle. So in this video I'm going to go over the fourth one, which are directors and composers, and the code is ISFP. So these are their traits. They're an introvert, quiet, reserved, and sensitive, and prefer to be behind the scenes and avoid the limelight. Their mind is like a stage, and you want your creations to shine bright. You enjoy creating, taking the story, playing in your mind and bringing it to life in your work. You learn best in a hands-on environment, using your senses, and you're not interested in abstract theory, concepts, ideas, unless there is a practical application. And the environment that you need to create is you need freedom and time alone. Your lifestyle requires you to have the freedom to create in the moment. You need flexibility to be free, to react spontaneously when you're inspired. And you have no desire to lead, control others, and no desire to be led or controlled by others. And organizations make you feel uptight. You're motivated by the enjoyment of the creative process. You measure success by the feeling you get from creating and the reaction of others as they see the results of your work. So again, these are traits of somebody who is creative, and that's why we call them directors and composers. Okay, because they have a story to tell, they have something that they want to create, and then they want to share that with others. And it's your reaction to their creation, that's what energizes them. So some careers could be advertising designers, dance choreographers, interior designers, photographers. So again, listen to this video, listen to these traits, and ask yourself, is this you? Are you the creative type? Do you have a story in your head that you want to express? Do you learn best in a hands-on environment? So again, your career is an opportunity to express your personality traits. So ask yourself, do you have these traits? How does it show up in your life? What activities can you do in your career that energizes you? So comment below and let me know if this is one of the personality types that applies to you, and again, how it shows up in your life.